Here's how you can find and share your league code in Fantasy Premier League FPL, making it easy to invite friends or join mini leagues. So first, you need to go ahead and launch any of your web browser. Then after, go to fantasy.premierleague.com, log into your specific account. Now, from the home page, tap on Leagues and Cups, that is between transfers and fixtures in the top left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and tap on this option. Now find your league and tap on the settings icon next to it. Tap on Invite Players in the top right-hand side of this menu. This will reveal your league code. And optionally, you can share your league code by email as well, or you can copy auto join link. Once copied, you can go ahead and paste it anywhere you like and share it among your friends, family, whoever you want to invite in your league. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.